If you have a moment, I would like to share a report with you. Well, it's time to earn some income. You live in America, and there's limited reasons that prevent you from securing gainful employment if you're classified as an able body. When it comes to employment, no matter what you do, remember that you can't bypass the entry level stage to gain work experience. That's right. I'm Ole Sarge, the Petty O, and you're viewing the entry level job search report. This channel focuses on the practice of entry level job searching for high schoolers, post high schoolers, college students or graduates, and workforce re-entrants. In order to conduct a job search, entry level job seekers can begin their search on the following applications or websites to secure gainful employment. Here's a list of those websites. As you can see, there are employer websites, job listings websites, career one stop, local city government, state government, federal government, military websites, government contracting websites, and the Department of Labor website. With that being mentioned, let's discuss the steps to conduct an entry level job search. Step 1. Identify the search engine type for your job search report. The type will be either an employer website, job listings website, or one of the other websites previously mentioned. The search type for this report will be job listings website. Step 2. With your device of choice, open an internet browser. Step 3. Type the website address of the job listings organization. Step 4. Type entry level into the website's search engine or bar. Step 5. All of the entry level jobs available for the job listing will populate on your device screen. Now conduct a review of the populated jobs. Step 6. Apply to positions of interest that you're qualified for and or are interested in pursuing. Today's job search will focus on two entry level positions. Step 7. Let's review Ole Sarge TPO Specialist job posts for the first entry level position. All job posts will have the following key information sections: 1. Duty title, 2. Company or organization name, 3. Location, 4. Work schedule, 5. Pay and benefits, 6. Job duties, and 7. Requirements. Here is an example of the OSAR's TPO specialist job post. Now, conduct your own job search and review for a military officer or military enlisted position for the desired branch of service using the mentioned job search steps for the second entry level position job post review. Type the term military on non military job listings websites instead of using the term entry level in the search engine or bar. On military websites, type the term careers in the search engine or bar or go to the careers webpage. Direct the focus of your review towards the following key information sections listed on the job post: 1. Duty title, 2. Organization or unit name if the unit is reserves or National Guard, Army, or Air, 3. Location, 4. Work schedule, 5. Pay and benefits, 6. Job duties, and 7. Requirements. Salary statistics for the officer. According to DFAS, the pay grade for this position as an officer service member will be between O1 to O3. And enlisted, it will be between E1 to E3. If you're interested in positions like those discussed, apply online. A military recruiter for that job will contact you for the next stages in the recruiting process for the position. If the military recruiter does not contact you for the position that you apply for, continue to apply to other positions of interest. Eventually, you will secure viable employment. Now, let's discuss college degrees quickly. A college degree is a part of your career portfolio and not your career in and of itself. I repeat, a college degree is a part of your career portfolio and not your career in and of itself. It's your career base or a defined starting point of your career. You can't bypass the entry level stage to gain work experience. In order to become a subject matter expert, team lead, supervisor, manager, director, vice commander, commander, or general officer, you must go through the process status of being entry level to gain work experience. In closing, if you felt like this information was helpful, share this video with others and stay connected. Referrals are definitely welcomed. For additional information about other services such as the Roll Call Career Trajectory Seminar and Ole Sarge Fix My Resume College Graduate Workshop, go to the following website address: www.execbl.com. That's www.execbl.com. Searching for a job is for free. This means that it costs you nothing to look for a job. I've always wanted to give you something, so I'm giving you the gift of job searching. Happy birthday. Thanks for your time and attention. And once again, I'm Ole Sarge, the Petty O, signing off.